For day two of the Agrofood and plastprintpack exhibition show. I'm walking towards the entrance, trying to get my tag before going inside to see some of the exhibitors. So join me along as I, see the stands for day two. We are seeing some of our exhibitors that were here yesterday. So we'll just be walking around to see some of the stands again. Maybe if there's anything new, maybe something that will catch the eye. That's what I'm just trying to walk around and look out for. You can see some of the stands. Visited them yesterday, and this is day two of the event. Okay, I was here at the stand for Crohn's machine yesterday. The equipments are here behind me for Crohn's machines. Then this is Techlong. I think this is Techlong. Did I see them yesterday? I'm not sure. Techlong. I'm not sure. But there's Crohn's machine, Techlong, and for macadams. And then the other ones too. Just like yesterday. So this is my, should I say, my first round of going around. If you check out my Twitter, you check out my other pages too. Don't forget to like the videos. Don't forget to like. It's very important. It's very important for you to like the video so that you will see more. Still walking around. I would say most of the exhibitors are still the same exhibitors I saw here yesterday, and I actually went around yesterday to see some of those things they have. So yeah, let me see if there's anything, if we'll see anything new, anything special that we'll capture this time around. So I would say one new thing they are exhibiting here, which I'll switch the camera for you to see. I can see headsets, so maybe we'll get to try it too and find out more about this exhibit. Yeah, people were crowding you can see the earpiece stand there. So people were much there. And I couldn't get to hear what they were actually exhibiting. Maybe I'll just walk around and come back later to see what they've actually exhibited here. But in the meantime, let's still walk around and see all other items that are on display here. Nipa doing that. And just go and come back and see what's happening. They are like because the whole place is noisy, so they are trying to exhibit and make the people attending the exhibition listen one-on-one. So that's why they provided those headsets. So they'll use it to communicate to the people there. The headsets were not much though, so only like a few people will have that one and be able to hear what was actually going on there. But now notwithstanding, I'm back here in this is hall 1. Already passed through here yesterday, so some of the items. So I'm just trying to pass through and do some more videos to be able to, see some of the booths are even empty. Maybe they got tired and maybe they've gone for lunch. think there's a keynote speaker holding a conference inside there. I'll switch the camera for us to have a look at what is going on there. Yesterday I came along this place now that I'm just entering. It's the cafeteria, and I was there yesterday. I was at the cafeteria yesterday, but I bought food and the food was quite expensive, so it wasn't funny. I don't think I'll go there and eat today. It's the place you're seeing behind me, back down there. That's where it is. So the ones I'm here for now, they are having keynote discussion and talks.
But I think away from
Let's
talking
join
to
them.
these particular exporters, or work on this particular exporter and his value chain to ensure that the issue of minimum residue level is observed. But we don't have that. Even the last year, we got Japan is one of the highest importers of Nigerian sesame. They import close to 40% of the sesame products from Nigeria. And they sent an alert saying that there is high level of pesticide residue in Nigerian sesame and they will soon ban Nigerian sesame. Again, the issue of traceability now came up again because we were not able to trace. So you meet an exporter, you're asking the exporter, so where do you get your sesame from? So that we are able to isolate them and then train them. Because of course you don't want to train 1 million sesame farmers, smallholder farmers everywhere. And the answer is we buy it from the Wono market. Because what happens is that all the farmers bring to the Wono market, the local buying agents aggregate the product without keeping records of who they aggregated from, and then they sell to the exporter moves in, so you don't even know where the contamination is coming from. If farmers have do's and don'ts, you cannot do this if you are buying
So the place I just came out from was where they were having the conference and the various keynote speakers present at the event. So basically, this is, like I said, day 2 of the plastprintpack event going on. So if you are interested in anything filling, packaging, stretch blowing, which other item, recycling, agro products, agro foods, labeling, coding, everything is being exhibited here. So yeah, you can leave a like on the video, also follow the pages to see more of my content. And in case you want me to feature your own equipment too on my YouTube page, you can reach out to me using the contact information on screen. So yeah, basically most of the exhibitors are the same as yesterday. I don't know, for some reason I was thinking maybe I will see something different, although I saw some things done differently, but most of the companies are still the same companies which I saw here yesterday. I just spoke with someone who was very nice, and he showed me the blowing machine. He explained everything to me. This is an automatic blowing machine capable of blowing up to 5,000 bottles. It is automatic, it has an oven, it has various cavities, and we got to see all that. So yesterday too, we learned about the carbonated machine. We saw it. They have it available with other machines too for various uses. Their office is in Lagos. So yeah, that's the exhibit. So in general, I'll say today was a good day for the whole thing. Yes. We got to see a lot more of the exhibition. We got to see a lot more people, and people are really interested in what other countries, what other manufacturers have to exhibit. and it's a good thing. Like some of the keynote speakers, I think Son was there. Son's booth is in front of me here, and they were talking about the the standard for no, I know the video you see the standard for packaging and processing goods in Nigeria. So yeah, it was a nice day of exhibition. I wish they would do more of this in Nigeria. If they will do more, I'll attend, honestly. I like to see packaging machines. I like to see filling equipment. I like to see people, of like-minded background coming together to discuss about their industry. So in case you're in need of any packaging equipment, any filling equipment, agro equipment, anything that has to do with filling and packaging and agro, you know how to contact me. So don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to follow my pages, and till the next video. Bye bye. Today I'm back for day 3 of the event, the final day of the event. So I'm about to make my way in. Today I didn't forget my tag. So yeah, we'll go in and see what is being exhibited. Go there. So now I'm still just walking around the exhibition hall. And let me see where the organizers are. Maybe I'll have a word with the organizers for them to tell us about the program, how they hosted it. That's if they are willing to chat and they are not tired.
So we are happy to be at Agrofood and plastprintpack Nigeria 2024 in the record edition. And we have over 140 exhibitors really from all over the world. And we are already, today is the last day, so we are already looking forward to the 2025 edition and to make it, as always, better, more beautiful, bigger. That's all.
Yes, thank you so much for hosting this event in Lagos, Nigeria. And I don't know, is there any upcoming events that we need to be aware of?
So our next one is Ethiopia in May, then we have Iran in June.
Okay.
Then we have Cote d'Ivoire in Abidjan in October. And we have Iraq in November.
Wow.
And then we have Algeria next year, February, and then in March 2025 again Nigeria.
Okay. Thank you so much for doing this short interview with me, and I hope to see you at the next event. So yeah, I just had a chat with the organizer of the event. Check out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. So he told us about the upcoming events that will be coming up. And I like to see packaging expos like this. If they'll do more in Nigeria, and I'm chanced and there's enough funds, I will try my best to go around and attend the majority of the event. So let me just still go around, have a look. If there's anything for me to include, I will include it. If there is none, I think that will be it. Currently standing in the booth of Macadam's machineries, and I actually saw their page a few weeks back before attending the exhibition. So I'm here with a representative of Macadam's, and he'll be showing us some of the equipments they have on display at the exhibition event. So guys, up to you now.
Alright, good day. My name is Mark. I'm a sales executive for Macadam's Baking System Nigeria. We are a South African brand. We have been in Nigeria for more than 30 years. Due to the vast nature of our experience in the field of baking, some people call us the Dangote in the baking food because we know the A to Z relating to this. And the equipment in which I'm standing by the side, we call this a mini dough molder. And this a mini dough molder, it has the capacity to mold dough, normal family bread size, which is the 900 grams, and the jumbo size. So it's mini, but it's fast in depositing. Once you deposit your dough into here, it rolls it in seconds, in split of seconds, and comes down here because there is what we call a conveyor belt here that helps in the rolling. So in this field of baking, different kind of equipment involved, right from the oven the mixer, the molder, the divider, the slicer. So there are different ranges of equipment. The next one I'm going to explain more to you is the slicer.
Okay.
This is another kind of a brand innovative that came in. This is a gravity bread slicer.
Okay.
And it has the graduation to load more than 10 loaves of bread in gradual graduation. And this is the loader, the pusher that push down the bread in the gradual graduation, because it's a gravity slicer. So there must be a vibration that must occur for the slicer to work. So once it slices the bread, it comes out through this process. Then from there, you can package it into this form. Then from there, for easy packaging. So the packaging can be either in the right or in the left, depending on the customer's choice. So the next item we are going to talk about, we call it the divider. This divider is a brand new product that came in. We call it Macadam's Vitella divider. It divides your dough into 20 accurate parts for you. So you don't need to scale it. It's so accurate. So I'll show you. This is the brown new Macadam's Vitella divider. It has all different kind of buttons there. You have the cut button, you have the push button, you have the divide and the wave. So I'll open it up for you. You see, all the parts here are equal in terms of dimensions and in terms of dough weight. So if you count all these parts, there are 20 equal parts, and it's perfect. I bet you this is one of the best. If you know major bakeries in Nigeria, I'm not here to brag, the major bakeries in Nigeria tend to use macadams. Macadams is one of the best in terms of baking, and due to the activity, the rugged nature of dough in Nigeria, we recommend you use macadams. This gigantic mixer you see, we call this SM120 spiral mixer. Why do we call it XM120? You say, oh, this is almost a 2-bag mixer. No, this is a 1-bag mixer. And the quantity of flour is a 50 kg flour, right? So why do I call it 120? Because you add your water, your margarine, your yeast, the preservatives, and the rest sum up to 100 kg. Then, because of the viscosity and you need to have a little weight so there won't be spillage. So that's the reason why we sum it up to 120. So you know, in Nigeria, flour is just like a king. Like, it's very expensive. So you don't need to waste your flour. You don't need to waste your dough. So this mixer has 2 speeds. We have the speed for the slow speed and the fast speed. You know, in 20 to 15 years ago, we have some kind of mixer that can be mixing for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You are still mixing. Are you cooking beans? So in this form, we came out with a kind of a mixer that you can mix your dough under 12 minutes. Your dough is good and ready to go. 12 minutes mixing, 4 minutes for your slow mixing. Then the remaining 6 minutes is for your fast mixing. So this is one of the brand new innovations that came in. We also have different variations of mixers. We have that for half bag, quarter bag, 2 bags, and so on. But this is one of the brand we just say we should just show you and showcase what we do. There are a few lots more equipment that I would love to show you around. But most of them are not yet. If you come to our office at Alausa Ikeja, definitely I will be glad to definitely explain more to you. Thank you very much, and remain blessed.
Alright, and we can see the whole place is empty. The event has ended. So yeah, that is the 3 of the Agrofood and plastic pack events. I'm currently standing in the booth of clothes machines, and they're about packing up to at the end of the exhibition. So I'll be posting some videos on my TikTok and my other social media handles to show you more about what they do and what we had to discuss and some of the equipment and items they also have. Don't forget to like the videos, don't forget to follow the pages, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.